Hello, everyone. So we move on to week 5, and we start a new unit this week, as I mentioned to you last week. It is on entrepreneurship, and because business is a popular major in CCP, many students take this major. So we will focus a little bit on this world of business. So what is it that you have to do? So always go to overview so you get an idea of the work you have to do before you come to Zoom class. So I've listed the things that you have to do here, and and what we will do in our Zoom class on Wednesday. And I also will post this video right here so you can understand. So there's a lot of things that you have to do, but it's not time consuming, but you need to do each one of them before you come to class. So the first thing is always to get familiar with the vocabulary related to this unit. So what you can do is go through this and try to find the meaning and learn the meaning of these words. And the way you can do is go to dictionary.com, because there are two things. You can learn the meaning as well as the pronunciation of these words. When you click on the little the audio thing in dictionary.com, you should be able to listen to the way this word is pronounced, including the syllable stress and so on. So I would like you to do that so you learn how to pronounce these words correctly. Then you have to read this article. It's a very short, quick article, because in any business or enterprise, or when you're going to start a business, you need to understand these two terms, mission and vision. So go through this article by clicking here, read it, try to understand it. Just give it a quick reading. You don't have to spend a whole lot of time doing that. Then participate in this discussion on vision and mission. You have to post your reply before the class on Wednesday. All right? So you need to do that. And what is it that you have to do? You have to explain the difference between vision and mission. And then in the article, they give you several examples of different companies like Tesla, Google, and so on. So you want to read it, and particularly the vision and mission, and whether this company has achieved its mission, right? So if they say this is what our purpose is, have they achieved it, and why not? So that is one thing based on that reading. And you have another reading. Again, you don't have to spend a whole lot of time. Just get an idea of how this person got the idea for a startup business from an accident, how she started her own business. So give it a quick reading and then answer these questions. All right. This is based on the second article. So you have two questions. Just very quickly, briefly answer this. And again, do this before our class. So I've given you time until 8 a.m. on the 17th. Okay, so the last thing I want you to do is listen to this video by going here, and this is all about entrepreneurship. What is entrepreneurship and so on. And then I would like you to write down in your own words the explanation of these terms here. 10 terms, you just write, you don't even have to write complete sentences. What does secure job mean? What are investors? Who are the investors? Okay? And then again, submit it by Tuesday night so we can review all of this in the class. So once again, there are a couple things you need to finish before we meet on Wednesday. So go through the vocabulary, read this first article on vision and mission, post your own response before our class. And I think you have time until Tuesday night to do this. And then, of course, the second reading is a bit longer, but again, you don't have to spend too much time, but just understand the overall idea and complete this assignment on this article. And then finally, listen to this video and do the assignment based on that video. So if you can do all of this before our class on Wednesday, our class will go really smoothly. Okay? So I will see you on Wednesday.